We've played these games before. Why not do something different? What about baking in the office? Oh hi! Welcome to today's episode. So, who says you can't bake brownies in the office? So, today's episode is very special. It's a little bit different from our previous episodes. So, we should start now. Welcome to team bonding a la baking brownies in the office. Ready? 1, 2, go! Go!
What is salt? Oh, okay. Hey, this one is salt, right?
No, it's not.
It's salt 打粉啊。哎，哇，over 3 哦 I get two of these.
I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm the lonely nights, I love you, baby.
Wow, ours one very hard to see, yellow.
3 hours later.
Hey, don't have eh? Last one very hard to find.
Baby.
No, but will it be after big?
So what can you get out of this activity? Well, it promotes teamwork through experiencing working together as a team to achieve the same goal while baking. In the kitchen, teamwork and creativity is a must as teams work through planned activities together. It is also a fun and interesting way for teams to foster good working synergy and effectively aid efficiency and productivity in the office. More importantly, it helps us relieve stress and strengthens your bond with your team through food. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.